Hello everyone. Today I am going to read the story of Who Am I? Train. A train is a series of wagons or carriages. A train is drawn by an engine. An engine driver operates the train. Who is operating the train? An engine driver operates the train. A train runs on the rail tracks. A train stops at different railway stations. People travel from one place to another in passenger trains. Freight trains carry cargo. Some trains are like toy trains that are great fun to travel in. The bullet train is the fastest train in the world. Trains can travel underground, over bridges, and even under the sea. Thank you.